Hello again, everyone. Welcome to another video. And today, I'm just going around Hastings because it is lockdown again here in UK. Today is January 7. I've stayed home since New Year, but I'm starting to hear my walls talking to me, so I think I need to get out now to see some, I don't know, some seagulls, pigeons, sea, sun, anything else other than my four walls. So I've decided to go out today to do some shopping and walking. Yeah, there's nothing else I can do. Also, I haven't featured Hastings in my vlog, so today's the day. Let's go. Just waiting for my bus. Okay, so we're here now at West Hill. So that's the first stop of our walk today. I'll go to Seafront. Then next is in East Hill. That's East. We'll go there later. After our walk to the beach. Then after all that, we'll go to the shop. Change of plans. So instead of going to the beach first, I'll go to East Hill first. Wala lang, kahit feel lang na po. Pinakamas doon. Pero medyo hike siya slight. Very slight. Then I think sunset would be nice on the beach. So I'll save that for later. Time out. We're halfway there. So that's West Hill. And I'm on my way to East. Pero time out sa. Ay, happy. I was thinking to do the shopping at the end of the day, but currently it's 2 p.m. then the sunset is like 4 p.m. so if I wait in the beach for 2 hours, I think I'll freeze to death. So that's why shopping muna, grocery muna. Just waiting for the sunset. You know, I would prefer sunset over sunrise. Don't get me wrong, I find sunrise beautiful as well, but there's a specific reason that I love sunset, and that reason is I am not a morning person. I can't wake up very early, so sunset ra ako makaya. Okay guys, I will end the vlog here. So this is Hastings. I just went to East Hill, West Hill, and by the seafront because since it's lockdown, so there's nowhere else to go and nothing else to do. That's it for now. I don't know when is the next one, but hopefully see you soon. Bye.